27. Just bring your bag out here. Yan se sin start hota hai eka routine instruction ke sath. AAP notice carrying Kai's officer simple compliance demand car raha hai. Ma'am, stop going through it. Yik exuble lekin important procedural moment hai. Zap op fisa kisi kobat leka baha en koketa hai. Usali iska matlap hota hai ke situtino ani supisio lat dahi hai. Officer Pukta, hi. What did you take out of it? Yahan situation bilkul tense ho guy. Deki Kai's officer calm tone maintain karta high. I think we're getting off on the wrong foot. Ye de escalation technique ai. Police training main verbal calming ek primary tool hoda high before physical control. Lekin suspect response is defensive hain, confusion, denial, shifting focus. AAP Kia Sakti hain? Agar AAP officer out. AAP Yahan frisk kardi? Ysurf verbal control continue rakti? Har second critical high. Ki unki opfiso ko nahi pata ke bat ke anda ki high. Story up escalata honavali high.
Bring your bag out here. Okay. Ma'am, stop going through it. You come step right back here. What did you take out of it?
Nothing. I was
okay. All right, listen. Just come back here. I think we're getting off on the wrong foot, okay?
Because I'm really confused on why I'm getting stopped.
He's got several warrants.
Okay, that has nothing to do with me.
You don't know who's in the car.
Nobody's in my car.
Well, now I know that. However, now I'm going to address the other problems.
Okay, so you want my bag and all my belongings.
So just step right back here.
Can I use the restroom?
And let you know this is being audio and video recorded, just to let you know.
Okay.
23, if you did have
124 coup bad radio traffic, start hodi high. 23 if you did have one more. Up notice karen kaise pakup kuyeti request kia yaraha hai. Yes, silent escalation hodi high. Officer openly panic nahi karta. Lekin resources bula lita high. Yeah, officer safety protocol, cop hard high. Suspect restroom use karn, key bot kardi high. Is stage par officer allow karta high. Lekin audio, video reminder dita high. E documentis and within high. Jab officer Kata high. It's been audio and video. Will legal transparency show karta high, or indirectly warn be karta high kasab record ho raha high. Lekin for 220 coup around urgency change hodi high. Backup speed update ho rahi high. Ap notit kadin guys don sip supto high. Lekin unling tensin in says ho dahi high. Yahan deki har second ka impact kitna critical high.
one more, that would be good.
10-4, dispatch any unit near Ewing Drive and for church, Ewing Drive and for church.
Can we step back here?
21 to 23, do you need me code 3?
Negative, just code 2. So it's just in here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, was there...
Well, I'm about 5 minutes from you.
Is this?
Yes. It's probably another bad week. Hey, Mom, I need you to come to Alpha Trinity Lane right here where Seco is, the Dollar General.
23 to 25.
I just got pulled over because the mine name is on the car. And he wanted to know if he was in the code. He's not in the code. But I do got weed.
Hey, are you available?
I'm right here in the Dollar General.
Votri, behavioral shift a preset indicators. 2 hodiny 35 minut, 3 hodiny 13 minut. 2:35. I'm not done with that though. Ab energy change hodi high. Officer Lighter Kober, main pukta high. Yet hodi cheese lag, sakti high. Lekin small object be weapon concealment indicator ho sakta high. AAP notice carrying Kai's officer environment control karn, key koshish car, raha high. Suddenly, tone break hoda high. Here to me a favor. For abrupt escalation. Get down on the ground. Yet command tab, add a high, jab officer KO imminent threat, feel hoda high. AAP Kia expect car, rahi the kuyi momenes bad lega. Situacion up maximum escalata ho gai.
It can be in a couple minutes.
What is
Brick Church.
Brick Church.
And Ewing.
Brick Church.
13, can I have you start starting route. You're about 4 minutes away. Disregard on that.
My lighter
Yeah, I'm not done with that though. Where's your lighter at?
in the car.
13. It says you're about 7 minutes away.
I'll get it for you in a second, okay?
So you driving for
right there
church
in your
and the Dollar General. Can I have you start process 23?
You scaring me.
Thank you.
Yeah, come on. Here, do me a favor, turn around.
No, hold
Turn
on.
around.
Don't put me in handcuffs. I haven't done anything.
344. Step out, ma'am. Put your gun down. Yewo second Hai Jahan Sab Kuch change Ho Jada Hai. AAP notice carrying Kai's command repetition Hodi Hai. Put the gun down. Police training Kumyatabik. Clear loud repetitive commands. Suspect KO. Compliance Ka. Final chance Dedi Hain. Yahan officer Ka decision. Split second. Main Hoda Hai. Gun visible high. Threat immediate high. Or fur. Shots fired. Yahan officer Ku file Ka Asar Turandika. Kia. Or option the? Retreat? Taser? Jade the force yastifawati? Yewo moments ode Hain Jahan theory or reality collide Cardi Hain.
Wrong.
Ma'am,
No, don't put me
you're about to get tased.
No!
Get down! Get down on the ground! Down on the ground!
I didn't do nothing.
Step out. Ma'am, put the gun down!
I didn't do nothing.
Put the gun down! 23 shots fired! Shots fired!
10-4, 13, keep at that code 3.
I'm hit.
Turn around.
23 shots fired. Radio transmission adrenaline. Kusath break Hodi High. For Wo line Joe Har officer Kabi. Suna Nahi Chada. I'm hit. Yahan situation Bilkul critical Ho Gai. AAP notice carrying Kai's communication still structured high. Even after being hit, officer radio protocol follow Karta high. Ya professionalism Ka extreme level Hoda high. Har second life or death high. Yes surf tactical event nahi. Yes survival mode high.
Step out. Ma'am, put the gun down! Put the gun down! 23 shots fired! Shots fired!
10-4, 13, keep at that code 3.
I'm hit.